Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the HASEL HSS-1301, a professional boiler steam generator designed for powerful garment care and efficient wrinkle removal. At first glance, this appliance immediately feels more serious than a typical handheld steamer. Its boiler-based system is designed to generate a consistent supply of steam, making it suitable for users who need reliable performance on a regular basis. One of the biggest benefits of a steam generator is speed. Instead of repeatedly going over the same areas, powerful steam helps relax fabric fibers quickly, allowing wrinkles to disappear more efficiently. This can save valuable time when preparing clothing for work, events, or everyday use. The HSS-1301 is designed to work with a wide variety of fabrics. From lightweight shirts and delicate garments to heavier materials, the steam system helps refresh clothing while maintaining a convenient and user-friendly experience. Another advantage is versatility. Beyond clothing, many users appreciate the ability to refresh curtains, upholstery, and other textiles around the home. This makes the steam generator a practical multi-purpose appliance rather than a device limited to garment care alone. The overall design focuses on functionality and long-term use. The controls are straightforward, and the steam delivery system is designed for consistent performance throughout longer steaming sessions. For busy households, boutique stores, tailoring workshops, or anyone who regularly cares for large amounts of clothing, a boiler steam generator can provide a noticeable upgrade compared to traditional garment care solutions. Overall, the HASEL HSS-1301 combines strong steam performance, professional-level functionality, and practical versatility. It's a compelling option for users looking for faster, more effective fabric care and wrinkle removal. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know which home appliance you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.